Hello everyone and welcome to JFX Trading Group. So in this video we are going to focus on a couple of things. I'm going to look at my week so far. Like I promised, it's Wednesday, Friday. That's when I'll be posting some videos. If I take any trades by Wednesday, I will post a video for midweek post-market analysis or for my midweek analysis, like what I've taken during the week. So I started the week in a bad way. But the week is better now that I'm back at break even. When I started this week, it was a tough week for me. I tried to take some trades, tried to go out of my way to take some trades, but the thing is, I had to come back to my senses, and now I'm back to my senses. It's a little bit better. It's going well. Don't mind my voice. I have flu, by the way. So I'm just going to show you my trading journal as usual. You can check it out here. You can take a look at this link. I will put it in the description down below, so you can actually go and check the website, the journal yourself. Obviously you can't really edit anything. I'll try to change the settings before I post this video so that you won't edit anything, right? So I'll start off with this week. This week we started on 27 January. That was Monday, right? So that's the trade that I took. Don't mind the closing time. Let's take a look at this closing thing. So I'll show you what I did and how I took it. And this was me trying to catch a big trade, by the way. Can you imagine? And it got to me. I failed right, and I lost a lot that day. Right. So and then on the same day as well, I then took a trade on demo after I got my max daily loss here, because my max daily loss is once I'm down 2%. If I exceed 2%, but I close the day, I'm done for the day. I'm not taking any more trades. So here I lost my profits, my 1.58 profits, and then again I lost something like 2.8. So I was now down 2.5% on the challenge, and today I managed to gain that back, all of it, plus $1, right? And I still have some trades running. And here, as you can see, again, another trade here I took on the 27th on demo. I'll show you. It's still running, by the way. I'm kind of like swinging the whole thing. And this is a trade I took again yesterday. So I'll show you this trade, and I'll show you the reason why I took it. As you can see here, I opened it at 4:23 p.m. And I closed it at 10:05 p.m. So it was a level 3 short. The reason why I said level 3, because we were not yet in level 1. It was not yet 1 times a data value. It was a level 1 drop. And yeah, there was a shark fin obviously at the beginning, and then there was a water bounce. I took it on the A top. So I didn't really take it on the A top as such, but when they retested that A top of mine, I took it. It became an error 00. So a pin. It was a London trade. But the thing is, look, this is not a London trade because it's 4:23. Yeah, it's still London, almost New York. And this is what I lost because I took a scratch. And the total loss was, the net profit and loss was $8.50. I can't really put a throughout ratio in this case because I didn't win. All right, but let's go here on today. Today, I took a trade off M5, right? And it was a value trade, bouncing off, the stop hand and then taking out the liquidity that they calculated yesterday. No closing yet because I haven't closed the trade. It was a level 1 short because they dropped a little bit and then came back up. And then now you have a short trade, 1-1 on the TDI, which means there's one leg inside the band and one leg outside the band on the TDI. And it's an M pattern on M5. It's a London trade setup, right? And you see here that's a 0.5 risk. That's what I took. And we have it was a nice win, by the way. Of course, you can see the $7 here commission, right? 1:4 risk reward ratio. It's good. It's really good. So now let's go back to charts and see what we're looking at here. So this is GBPUSD, and it went up into the level 3 here, dropped into some level 1 here. Now it's in level 1 to the downside. I'm expecting more sells here, right? So let me zoom it out a little bit. I took my trade somewhere up here. So let me show you how I took it. Now, the reason why I didn't want to go for 1% risk is because we haven't really broken market structure fully. Like if you see here, we broke it, right? So I can live with that. Even if we go on H4, you can see that we actually, let it go to H4. We actually broke it completely, broke market structure with 2 candles. So now I'm waiting for a retest and then we go more to the downside, right? So once this happens, I'm like, okay, this is a good thing. The harmonic pattern for me has been confirmed, and this was a nice advanced M pattern. If you check on the TDI, it's one leg outside the band, one leg inside the band, but here they didn't really close below the catch up or the 13 EMA. They closed and then they came back up, went down. They consolidated a little yesterday, took out the liquidity, and then dropped down to the downside as well. Let's go to H1, and this is the same thing that I was seeing. What did they do? They accumulated yesterday, consolidated, and I was part of this scam. And they went up with a stop hand, took out the liquidity that they accumulated here, and then after that we dropped. So I took it off that, and I was hoping that they could drop even more. And then they did. So let's go on M15 and take a look at what I was looking at, right? This is not an M, if you think about it, but on the TDI we have some weird one leg outside, one leg inside the band, and they dropped. So my entry was right somewhere here, somewhere around this area, right? And it was confirmed because they just crossed the market baseline here. They just crossed the market baseline here, and let's go to M5 and see what I was looking at when I took it. All right, so this is my M5. Let's come back a little and let's blow it up a little bit. So now look at this. We have this small consolidation, our first leg here. They didn't really give the shark fin as you want to see it, but they bounced off the market baseline here. They just consolidated a little bit on the TDI here, and then they came back again, bounced. So if you were someone, maybe you would have taken it on this candle when it closes. But look, for me, I would want to see a confirmation. Look at that break of market structure. And then they came back up, and then these pins, I was like, oh, then I'm going to take it. I took it, they consolidated a little bit, and then they drop, consolidate a little bit, and then they drop, consolidate a little bit, and then drop. So that was a nice trade to the downside, guys. That's how I did on GBPUSD. That's what I was looking at, and I booked some profits. I have one trade running, and I'll see what they'll do, because tomorrow I'm looking for sales. I'm still looking for sales. We have FOMC today, tonight at 9, if I'm not mistaken, 9:30. So I'll be out by then. So I'll still be holding these to see what they'll do. But the thing is, tomorrow I'm hoping for a nice retest and then a nice M pattern to the downside. So yes, like on Monday I took it up here. Like I said, I'll show you. So let's go back to Monday. So Monday they gave a nice one leg outside the band, one leg inside the band with a divergence, a nice 12 trade setup. Your entry, if you were taking it, it would have been close below the water, right? You take it here, obviously you'd have scratched out with -3, or if you wanted, you just scratch it out with -4. But if your stop loss was up here, maybe you'd have left it with a 40. I don't like those, it's too big. And they came back to retest this break of market structure here, and then they dropped once again. So once they retest, you would wait for a close below the water to confirm it. This is your entry. You have your 21 pip stop loss. It makes sense now if you take it like that, and then you would be in profit. Come on, guys, you'll be looking at a good profit here, about 67 pips if you took it right here. Okay, let's take a look at EU. I'll not really do the levels for you. We don't have that time. You can just go on our platform and learn more about that. And here, look at this consolidation here. Rise. This is our peak, and that's a drop into level 1, a 50-50 bounce, drop into level 2, Now tomorrow I'll be expecting more sales. Now it's a good thing for me because now they closed completely below the mayo, so I'm looking forward to more sales tomorrow. So if they retest and then we drop to the downside, that's what I'll be looking at. The reason behind this trade for me personally is on a higher time frame. Let's go to weekly. Let me show you what I was looking at. So you see this order block here, they retested it a little bit and then they dropped, so I was saying, you know what, that's a good thing for me. And then look at that bounce off the water, right? So I'm expecting more sales here. I'm expecting more sales on this as well. We broke market structure here, and then we're hoping for something good here. So we're hoping for something good here. So tomorrow I'll be looking for sales, right? We'll see how it does it tomorrow. We'll see how it does it tomorrow, right? So this is a nice FVG they left here. So if they come back into this FVG and they give me something good, I might take it. But we have another premium FVG up here. So for me, I'll be looking for sales tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Once my rules are met, you'll see it on Friday, on the Friday video. I'll take the trade. And if it moves well, I'll be good. So GJ is a confused something. It was coming out of level 3, dropped into level 1, and gave a little bit of this setup here yesterday. I missed it. But I'll show you if I was going to take it, how I would have taken it, right? So let's go back, and you see here consolidation goes back, goes way up. This is a nice parent, and then I wait for a close. So the thing is, if I was to take this trade, I would have waited for a close below all EMAs, which is this trade here. You take it here, your stop loss goes about 21 pips, and it moved about 50 pips. And then they reversed. This was a New York reversal. You'd have taken it, but it's DNC for me. It's level 1, so I was not going to take it. And then in Asian session, they came back to retest at the same level, and then they dropped. So my entry as well. Again, my entry would be somewhere here. But the thing is, I don't see any 5200 EMA cross yet. So until today, I was not really looking at any of GJ until they gave me this cross, and then I'll be looking forward to taking it. So now I'm looking forward to taking GJ, right, to the downside, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I'm still waiting to see if this could be a reset, or maybe they want to do something crazy. We'll see how it goes, but for now I'm just on the sidelines, right? And this is a nice bullish Gatly. That changes a lot of things for me. But thing is, I'm now bearish on this, but I'm still waiting to see what they would do with this pair. So now let's address the elephant in the room, the website, the new website. What I did, try to do some coding, change the interface. Now you see we have our services here. We have the home page. You can explore the courses. Now, successful traders keep honing their skills as they try to reach their personal best. So you can get started here. So let's see, you can explore some courses. You can get started here. You can explore some courses, and you know, you can start learning here. So these are the things that you can just go through on the website. I'll put the link down below. And now we have introduced a new thing, because so don't mind the background noise, you know, it will be more like that. So here's the thing, we have thought of something like to elevate your trading career. So the foundation is like, you do the tutorials, you know, and after the basics is free. The basics are free. There'll be an add-on for one-on-one meetings if you want them, but the thing is, you know, you can just go for intermediate tutorials, but that add-on will come in the future. So here we have intermediate tutorials, and we have our advanced tutorials. And then once you're done with advanced tutorials, we have a special gift for you. We'll buy a Found and Next account, 10K account for you, and you'll be the one to trade it. We won't trade it for you, we won't give you signals for it. But if you follow our weekly webinars, we'll try and do some weekly webinars as we go, as we go here. And one thing that we'll also do is every day we'll be posting some daily market analysis, and then you know, you can just follow those, and with the knowledge that you have gained from our platform, you could use that to trade your funded account, of course, with the setups. If you want a one-on-one tutorial with a one-on-one meeting with me, or with our other tutors that you see on the platform, you can just book, and then you specify what you want us to do for you, how you want us to help you on your booking, and you know, we'll be there to help you. So once you're done with that, you know, you can just go for that. there's a new broker coming up. I'll record a video on the broker once it's launched on 31 January. But for now, just go through our platform. You can go through the basics, the beginners tutorial, the intermediate tutorial, and then there's a YouTube, which is what I'm actually currently recording, which is coming soon. Episode 2 of phase 2. I'm so excited. So phase 1 is just one episode, because I was just thinking, what can I do? How can I record these? Should I do live trading or should I do post-market analysis? But for now, I'll just be doing post-market analysis. And obviously, you can join our community on Telegram. The Slack link is coming soon. And you can just go on Trustpilot and review us, because we are now on Trustpilot with a 3.8. We just have 2 reviews. I can lie to you and say we have so many reviews, guys, and we just have 2 reviews of the 2 guys who just thought of, looking. Oh, I opened a lot of them. We just thought of, we have used our platform before. Okay, and it's a good platform, guys. You should just try it and see how it is. So until we meet next time, have a good day, guys. Have a good evening. See you on Friday when we record our video for Friday, just to show you my week on Friday. So from I think from 8 February, 9, 10, from 10 February, we will be I will be trading from 16:30 or from 3:30, still the same time, because I'll be done with school by 1 p.m. and then after 1 p.m. I'm free for trading. I'll be trading, and then until 6 p.m. and then I'll be done. I'll start doing school stuff. So so guys, enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next video. I hope this is educating, and I hope this is helpful, and I hope this will motivate someone to actually want to learn with JFX. So until next time, guys, ciao.